What's up, guys? This is Zach Vlogs, and we're in New Jersey right now. Work has me up here for some training. I got all kinds of cool shit that I'm going to be doing. This is my first vlog in a long time, and we have definitely upgraded. We went from the G7 to the GH5, and the video quality is immaculate, so let's get going. So we are on the way to training now. Brought all my camera shit so then later I don't have to go back to the room before we leave. I think we're hitting some waterfalls today, so just wait. They're gonna be crazy. What's up, guys? I hope you like that short cinematic. Right now I'm gonna go hit the hot tub.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus.
What's up, guys? We're heading to VAG Fair in York. That car show the other night that I said we were going to go to, we got kicked out right away, and then it was too dark to film, so let's go to VAG Fair. We're here. We are very early. Cars are rolling in. There's probably 10 cars at most here. Derek is detailing his car, but should be a good turnout.
Broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your shine, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your
What's up, guys? That's going to be it for today's vlog. We're going to be back out at the same car show tomorrow. Tomorrow there's probably going to be 3 or 4 times as many cars. So yeah, thank you for watching. It was fun. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe below. I'll see you guys tomorrow.